Hi, my name is Tim at Winedeals.com, and I want to show you a little bit about an extension we're using for Amasty called Automatic Related Products. We use this extension in a couple of ways, and I'll show them to you here on our website. So first on our product page, if we scroll down, we have a section called Same Region, Same Vintage, Same Grape. And essentially, in the wine business, a lot of times people will be shopping for a wine, maybe a California Cabernet from Napa Valley, and perhaps that was a very good vintage for Cabernet 2021. So they would want to find other wines from the same region, same vintage. Oftentimes in the wine business, vintage means a lot um, as far as the quality of a wine. So we use this in our backend. We set up a rule in our backend using the automatic related products um, extension to accomplish this. And I'll show you the rules we set up here. So we have this rule, same region, same vintage, same grape, it's enabled. And we scroll down. We set a bunch of conditions to let us control which products we show this on, because for customers who are buying cheaper wines, this usually isn't much of a concern for them trying to find wines from the same vintage. But so we set it over price over 12, and then only on wines, either dessert, table wines, fortified, or sparkling. And to select the products that display, you can set up a rule down here in products to display. There's apply same as condition. You set that to yes. And then you can select a bunch of different attributes for your product, and any products that have the same attributes will display. So for instance, if the product location region is the same as the current product, if the vintage is the same as the current product, and the primary grape is the same as the current product, those products will then display in this section. And then down below, you also have other display settings. You can set it to a slider or a grid. We use a slider. You can choose to display and add to cart or add to wish list, add to compare buttons. And then you can sort by different things, name, price, newest, we just use random, and then set a maximum number of products to display. So that's how we control that rule. We also use it for some other things. We have rules set up to show wines from the same producer, wines from our Premier Select designation, which are high-end value wines. We use it on scotches, a few other things. Another handy thing about this is it also shows how much revenue and how many clicks you're generating from each of these rules. For instance, the same region, same vintage, same grape has generated 13,000 clicks and click-through rate of 3% and resulted in 179 orders, which is awesome. So that's a really cool feature. So you can see what's working, what's not working, change things if you need to. That's what makes this a great extension.